Introducing S.E.C latest product, ECOOL Fan, which is a solution to the poor breathing experience when wearing face masks. ECOOL Fan, providing a continuous flow of cool air, enhances the air ventilation inside the mask. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use the ECOOL Fan. Firstly, twist clockwise to lock the fan and mount into place. Secondly, attach the ECOOL stent to any disposable 3-folds face mask. The stent can be clipped on the middle fold on the back side of the mask. Finally, attach the ECOOL fan and stent to the mask. That's it. Press the side button once to enter low fan speed mode. Press again for high speed. And again to shut down. ECOOL Fan requires charging before use. LED will light up when charging, and will change the light color when fully charged. ECOOL Fan is reusable and can be recharged up to 300 times. S.E.C Healthcare, we care about your health.